Hey guys, this is Kem. My name is Kem. In case you were curious, thank you for joining me for another video. And if you're new, then welcome. So today, I know y'all seen the title, go ahead, cut me up, go ahead. Because I was just talking during Curlymas about how I'm trying to cut my stash down. And here I am with a haul, but it's with good purpose, ladies and gents. It's with good purpose with the products that I'm bringing you here today, okay? But first, I want to go through I got a couple things for Christmas and one thing that I purchased myself, and then we can get into the bulk of what we're really here for. But I'm going to start with my little Christmas gifts. So I have 3 skincare gifts that I got for Christmas because I stopped asking for hair products for Christmas. Yes, I had to give that up. I had to give that up. So all 3 products are from Glow Recipe. I have really been enjoying Glow Recipes products, so that's what I put on my Amazon wish list. Okay, so first I have, they're already out their boxes, y'all. I've been using them. I've been using them since I got them. Well, since Christmas. I didn't want to use them before Christmas, but since Christmas I've been using them every day. Anyways, the first one I have is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. They always gonna get me with the colors. I cannot tell a lie. The colors be going crazy. Next, I have the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream for dewy moisture and plumping, I guess. It says dewy moisture and plump. This is what made me fall in love with Glow Recipe. I had a small version of this. Like, I think I got one of my friends last year, some product from Glow Recipe, and like they sent me a sample and it was this, but it was like in the little form. And I said, oh, this is crazy. I said, I like this. I like this. And it gives me the dewy look. I just like that with my makeup, with my skin. That's just what I like my skin to look like. And this gives me exactly what that is. I have it on today and I feel like it gives what I wanted it to give. But yeah, so this is what started me on Glow Recipe, and now I'm hooked. And the last product I have from Glow Recipe is their Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. I like this one too. I like how the scents aren't like too aggressive. I also have their watermelon, I don't know what it is. It's like some kind of serum, I think, that I use too. So like, I got plenty of Glow Recipe. They're my new favorite skincare brand for right now. Been thoroughly enjoying them. But that's all the skincare we have. Next is the hair product I bought 2 days ago. Just one, and it's the value size of Let's Jam, the Condition and Shine Gel with extra hold, no wax, no flaking, 14 ounces. I got this because, as y'all know, I feel like I say it in every video, my hair is usually in mini twists, and sometimes I don't want to do it myself. So I'm going to have my boyfriend's sister do them for me. And she says like when she does them, because I've seen how she does like his other sister's hair, and I'm like, that looks really nice. Like, what do you do? So she said that she uses like jam type gel on their hair. So I'm like, maybe I should start doing that like at the roots to make it look a little bit more crisp. So I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna start doing. So I got some, because all of my gels aren't really like, they're not gels like that unless I use edge control, but I don't want edge control throughout my hair. I don't know if that makes sense. But I did get this because she will be doing my hair sometime soon. So I have this. When she does my hair, she can do this, and when I do my hair, I'll have it. So that's why I got this. It was out of necessity, y'all. It was out of necessity. Now we're gonna get into the fun stuff. I checked my mailbox yesterday and I have a package from Elle's Holistic Beauty Bar. So fortunate for me, I will be partnering with them throughout the first half of this year. I'm super excited to bring you guys their products. I have new in here. As you know, if you've watched all my Curlymas videos, or at least my empties, both of the Elle's Holistic Beauty Bar products that I've had are gone. Finish them up. So I have some stuff to replenish that. I didn't get, not me hitting my thing. Anyways, I didn't get the same products again, but I do have 5 new ones to share. So we're gonna get into it. First, I'm gonna start off with a pair, and it is the Elle's Holistic Beauty Bar Accelerated Growth Shampoo and Conditioner. The shampoo is to repair hair while improving growth, and they're both 8 ounces. And then the conditioner says Accelerated Growth Deep Conditioner, and it's for improving growth. It's also 8 ounces. I think these are so cute. I love their products. I feel like every time I do a review, I have to talk about the black and the gold, like, and the pop of color in the middle. Something about them. It's just so sleek. It gives luxury. Then next, I guess kind of like in wash day order, I have their protein-free marshmallow root and cinnamon deep conditioner. Those that know that Chebe and aloe deep conditioner is my one true love. Love that girl down. So I'm sure this one will not disappoint. I'm so excited. And it's another big girl. It's another big girl. This will probably be done by the end of the year as well, if it's anything like it's sis, okay? Like it's good sis. Next, I have their curl enhancer, and it's supposed to hydrate your curls. I'm not sure how many ounces this is, but this is their curl enhancing product. Last but not least, I think this might be a low-key a sneak peek because I think this is their newest product and I don't even know if they've officially launched it yet. So y'all getting this little sneaky so you guys can be the first to pick it up. But it is their vanilla mango hair butter and it is 12 ounces. Say it with me, Kemba loves mango butter. Absolutely. Did you guys get it right? I feel like in every video there's something with a mango on it. I'm telling y'all that mango butter is my favorite ingredient in a hair product, I guess besides water, of course. But yes, I'm super excited to try this. That was my short little haul. I just had to show you guys my cute new products. And that's all I have for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. The links are in the description box. You can also check my description box for my website that will have all of my coupon codes on it. Also, last time I checked, they were having a sale. So that's why I'm trying to get this video out. I hope the sale's not over yet. Y'all gotta get on in there and see what you can get, okay? Okay, that brand is the truth. Okay, I can 100% say that for that pre-poo, that banana pre-poo, and that aloe and Chebe deep conditioner. Go pick those up. If you don't pick anything else up, pick them two up now. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.